Okay, it's been freaking ridiculous today. Wind's been like 50 miles an hour. I just busted it out, finished putting everything together. The only thing I don't have on are sway bar end links, which I'll do when I have the car in the garage. I got it to the point of rolling, and I bled the brakes, got them all hooked up, filled up new fluid. I'm ready to drop it down and hopefully drive it. So I'm gonna put the air filter back on the engine, get these off the blocks, set it on the ground, and see if it will drive. Let's do it, boy! Alright guys, tires inflated, tires on one half, old tires on the other half, battery in, power good. Let's see if it starts up. I haven't started it for 6 months, so just want to make sure the oil gets up there. Oh yeah, revving a little high, that's okay. I pretty much have no fuel. I'm in first gear. Okay. Everything's creaking and popping. I need to look on this back tire to see if it's revving. So let me try to get out of the super bumpy low field. Oh, it doesn't sound good at all. I'm gonna pull over. Hey, that's progress. I'm gonna turn it off. Might have some fuel on land. Put some fuel in it real quick. Go from there. Okay, so this is definitely hitting tire when I'm in it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get a pry bar and pull this out a little bit. As you can see right there, my fingers barely fit. Pull it out, try to get some gas. Where's the gas? Is the gas door in here? That's the trunk. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's right here, it's right here. Okay. Got it. Okay, fuel it up. Bend it out so don't rub. I'm gonna go drive it. See what it does on the street. Yeah, it moved. It's moved. Yes! She did it. She moved from this dead spot to that spot. I actually took it on the road. I didn't go that far because I'm missing headlights and everything. Alright guys, that was awesome. First time driving it. Definitely need to, change the oil, check the coolant, figure out what's going on with it. It's still a little chattery. It's not as bad as when I first had it. I also think that's an oil issue. It's just old, a year old plus. And that fender, that one side must be lower on the suspension, so I'll probably try to raise it a little because it's definitely, when I get in it, squishy. So I want to stiffen it up because they're adjustable. Make the height a little taller, so when I get in, it's not so sagged on that side. But it drove down the road. ABS lights on, doors saying they're open, fuel finally turned on. Yeah, so it was good. It was a good experience getting things going. It was a lot of work off camera just to try to get it done. And so it kept us busy the last couple of days trying to knock it out. So we get on to the fun stuff. Get on to replacing the body, making sure the engine is good so that we can do power upgrades and body modifications and some of that fun stuff. So it is awesome. Alright guys, so that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Welcome if you haven't been to the Wide Open Throttle channel before. Go back, check out the last CRV boosted build I did with Goofy Built Shane and PFI Speed Brent and their crew. It was awesome. With things that have happened with the CRV and circumstances that have shown up for the Honda YouTube challenge, I don't think I will be able to participate on the date they moved it to. So I don't know 100%. I was putting that out there now. It might not happen now because of conflicting schedule, work junk, and family stuff, and some other crap I gotta take care of that week. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep everyone posted on that. That's probably the situation now. I'm gonna jump over to more of my garage built stuff so I can hopefully work in my garage. They're supposed to pour it tomorrow. They're supposed to pour it 2 weeks ago. I've been waiting. Rebar's is in. Everything's compacted. They're waiting for mud because it's been backlogged for a couple days. So hopefully tomorrow, soon I'll have a garage, fix it up. It'll be awesome. DIY garage, Wide Open Throttle Garage. We'll be building more stuff, getting the lift, getting everything set up. It's gonna be sick. So make sure you don't miss out on more to come. Till next time.